incandescent and an LED. Man, what a difference. And when you have like almost no power on, you see the LED going, incandescent almost down to nothing, that LED is still bright. This you can barely, it's barely on. Actually, it looks a lot brighter in the video than it does in real life, but it's barely on. And the incandescent versus the LED is totally different. So let's turn the lights off and check it out. Do 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 do. Yeah, look at the difference already. So, what these will work really nice for, these LEDs, I kind of like the look of that for the older one, but these LEDs will work great in cars like this, and these aren't the right style LEDs, so I can't try them out in this, but I think that'll look fantastic. So, just a quick video to show you some differences in the incandescent versus the LED. Yep, it's night and day. Thanks for watching. Keep them running.